gumagawa kami ng activity para sa air quality testing.
Kahit saan. Wala.
Hi everyone, once again my name is Ian from BS Environmental Science. For today's video, we will be having an activity regarding air quality testing. So paper plate, and then we have this index card para label. And then we have one paper sa center, itong white. And ito yung lalagyan natin ng petroleum jelly. Ilalagyan namin sa specific location for a certain period of time para malaman namin kung gaano karami ang mga particulate matter na pudikit dito. And that will give us an idea gaano kalinis ang ating hangin sa loob ng ating campus depende kung saan location siya inilagay. We're almost done. Kailangan namin ng kanim nito kasi dito dalawang ganito per location. Kita-kits tayo guys sa sunod natin tagpo. Alis na kami. Let's go! Para lang yung by side. Yeah. Let's do this guys. Welcome to my vlog. Hello! Ako pa hinabon nyo ah.
Just the moon and sun make it right for
Saan?
you. World may be
So we are now thinking kung saan namin siya ilalagay. First set.
when the stars fade their light.
Hi guys. We're here at the garden. Yun.
For you, the world may be.
Hi guys! Welcome to my vlog! For today's video, yeah. We are now at the second location for our activity regarding air quality testing. So they're currently applying the petroleum jelly to our model, and later on we will be placing that there. That is set for 2 hours, and the second set will be for 48 hours.
Okay.
So, ito.
Okay. So,
Yun. Hi everyone, we have new hire or new, yeah. This is Gail, one of our emphasized students. So siya maglalagay. Okay guys, here we are. As you can see, madumi agad siya. Meron agad. So hi guys. Hindi pa nga eh. Sige, sabay ka.
Fade their light. Just the moon and sun make it right for you. The world may be.
Malakas ako ah. Nanong tatawa mo?
When the stars fade their light, just the moon and sun make it right for you. The world